Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style, and I'm here again with a new makeup look. And this makeup is a sort of inspired by autumn vibe, and it is has all of brown color on my face with floating graphic liner, and this looks amazing and stunning, and hope you like this tutorial. But before that, if you are new here, please give a moment to subscribe to my channel for the content like makeup and hairstyling. Let's quickly jump into the tutorial, and for the first step I'm going to moisturize my face, and the moisturizer is from Biotic Saffron U moisturizer, and this moisturizer is super good for the winter season because my skin get dry during this season. And also I'm going to prep my lip with lip balm, and the lip balm is from Maybelline. You can see I have some texture on my skin, hyperpigmentation and acne marks. To cancel that out, I'm gonna use this orange color corrector from Swiss Beauty to cancel that darkness and to get flawless base. For that, I'm gonna apply that concealer on my concern area like my hyperpigmentation and acne marks. I'm blending it out with the concealer brush. I always like to set my brow before filling it out, and this is from Makeup Revolution Transparent Brow Gel. Let's begin with eye makeup, and for priming my eyelid I'm gonna use this concealer from Maybelline in shade Deep and apply it on my lid, and then spreading it out to hold my lid and taking minimum quantity. With the help of that brush I'm gonna carve my eyebrow, bottom eyebrow, to clean the edges. Next I'm gonna create floating graphic liner with the help of this brown pencil from Wet n Wild in shade Simmer Brown. Make sure to sharpen your pencil before using it. For creating floating graphic liner, I'm gonna create small line above my crease, center of my eyelid, and similarly I'm gonna do exact same thing on my other eye as well, making sure that both the lines are symmetrical to each other. And then I'm gonna take broken step to create that floating bar. I'm gonna create eyeliner with the same brown color pencil. Then picking pencil brush and brown shadow, I'm gonna smudge above my graphic liner which I created with the pencil, and make sure not to smudge below your line. And also deepening my eyeliner with the same eyeliner pencil. Next I picked that beige color with the help of flat angular brush and applied that shadow all of my lid below my graphic liner which I created. Afterward I picked orangey kind of brown shadow and applied on my outer corner of lid to give more dimension and structure to that look. Now topping my lid with this champagne color metallic shimmer shade with the help of my finger. I am reapplying my eyeliner because I applied that shimmer over my liner, so to intensify it I am reapplying that liner. And also applying that brown color on my outer V corner of my eye. To give lift to my lashes, I'm gonna quickly curl my lash with curler and applying good coat of mascara, and the mascara is from L'Oreal. Now it's time for filling up my brow, as my eyebrow is set, and this eyebrow pencil is from Makeup Revolution. Personally, I don't overfill my eyebrow because I don't like overfilled eyebrow look. It looks like Shinchan, not natural. So for filling my eyebrow, I usually fill the gap area or sparse area and making strokes of hair to get more natural appearance to my eyebrow. For foundation today, I'm gonna use this elf foundation, and honestly this is not my shade. It has a peachy undertone and a bit lighter to my skin tone, and whereas I am a yellow or warm tone, kind of olive kind of skin tone I have, and this doesn't match me at all. And also I don't like the finish of this foundation. I have paid for it, so I'm using this as a foundation for today. For balancing the shade, I'm gonna add darker shade of foundation with A to get my skin tone. And the concealer I'm using is the same concealer which I use for concealing my eyelid to brighten up my face. I always leave my under eye concealer to blend it last, because leaving it for a while it gets dry out or set a bit and give more coverage to my under eye and brightness to my eye. And to set under eye concealer, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic loose powder. With the help of sponge it has to get more airbrush finish. For sculpting my face, using this Makeup Revolution stick foundation in shade F18, which is a perfect shade for contouring my face, my skin tone, because it's really difficult to find a good match for my skin tone for contouring. For getting that airbrush finish, I applied it on my back of hand, and using a angular brush, I am contouring my face with that brush softly and gently to get more natural and airbrush look. And for the blusher today, I'm gonna use this NY Bae blusher in shade Chirpy Peach, and this is so good quality blusher at affordable range of 200, and it blends so amazingly with hand or brush, whatever method you use for blending it out, and gives a sheen to your face. And also contouring my nose, and I like to contour my nose bit lower to my bridge, and also connecting it to my eyebrow. And now finishing up my whole eye look, giving same shadow to my lower waterline as well with pencil brush. At last minute I changed my mind and filled my whole waterline with black kohl pencil. For lower lashes, I switched to Swiss Beauty mascara because it has thin pointed tip that goes close to my lower lashes, inner corner of teeny tiny lashes closely, and lining my lip with Miss Clear lip pencil in shade brown. And for filling my lip, the lipstick is from L'Oreal in shade I Convince. And that's the final look, guys. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you do so, Please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.